Good morning, East High, and welcome to the East High TV announcements. I'm Jada, and it looks like it's just me today. It's Monday, April 12th, and it is cycle day 3. Your work is going to fill a large part of your life, and the only way to be truly satisfied is to do what you believe is great work. And the only way to do great work is to love what you do. If you haven't found it yet, keep looking. Don't settle. As with all matters of the heart, you'll know when you find it. Now please pause for a moment of silence. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. This rain you felt coming in will end early this morning, leading to partly sunny skies and temperatures reaching a seasonal 58 degrees. The East High Panthers softball team chalked up a 2-0 win over Bishop McDevitt yesterday behind a great pitching performance from Sierra Dixon, along with the solid defense behind her. The Panthers scored their 2 runs in the second inning when Delaney Nevius doubled to left center to score Lexi Huffman for the first run. With Nevius on second base, Alicia Buzza singled to left field to score Nevius for the second run. Antonice Mason chipped in 2 hits for the Panther victory. The softball team travels to Hershey to play the Trojans on Wednesday at 4:15. Today in sports, the boys volleyball team travels to take on CD, and the track and field team is away at Chambersburg. Attention seniors, your graduation project must be submitted to your advisor in 19 days. No project, no graduation. We have many items in the main office lost and found. These items will be donated to charity if not picked up by this Friday, April 15th. Please check the lost and found in the cafeteria and the office. Help support the girls lacrosse team and purchase a 13th Man Team t-shirt. Short and long sleeves will be available. See any girls lacrosse team player for more information. There are only 28 yearbooks left for purchase. Over 180 seniors have not yet ordered a yearbook. Please visit www.smartpay.com to reserve yours today. Any student who signed up to help with the April 14th Special Olympics at Messiah College must attend a mandatory meeting today during first period in the lecture hall. If you cannot attend, please see Mr. English in room 118. Students who would like to participate in the Pan Ram Field Day, formerly known as Inspired Recreation Field Day, should stop by room 116 to pick up a registration form. Pan Ram Day is an annual event held at Central Dauphin High School. It is a day filled with fun events involving our students in our life skills, autistic support, and multiple disability support classes. The event will be held on Friday, May 13th, and is open to 75 student volunteers. The deadline for registration is this Friday, April 15th. Attention seniors, this is running out to place your own order for your cap and gown for graduation. Please stop by the main office ASAP. Sophomores, were you born to be the best? It's time to show your class pride with the Class of 2018 t-shirt just in time for May Day. Place your orders during 10th grade lunches. Hurry, orders must be placed by tomorrow in order to receive the pre-sale discount. See your class officers or Mrs. Liptak in room 117 for more information. It's that time again. May Day is fast approaching, April 29th. That means the Red Cross Club's annual Pie Teacher or Principal event. Do you want to pie a teacher or possibly Dr. Rawls in the face? then help the Red Cross Club reach their fundraising goal of $1,500. All donations will be given to the local chapter of American Red Cross. Raffle tickets to Pie Teacher Administrator will be on sale during all lunches starting tomorrow through Friday, April 22nd. Or you can see a Red Cross Club member to make a donation. Any questions, please see Ms. J in room 209 or in the main gym area. That's all the announcements I have for you today. Have a great day, East High, and we will see you tomorrow.